Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Thieves take the stolen catalytic converters to metal recyclers. The recyclers pay an average of $120 per converter for the precious metals inside them. Victims pay an average of $1,500, or an average $250 per $500 insurance deductible, to get the converters replaced.
Let's help you make your mark.
These thefts occur in older Prius cars built by 2011 due to a rise in the value of precious metals found in converters in hybrids. They are targeted because they have two power sources, an electric motor and a gas engine, so their converters are used less frequently to process pollutants.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To replace that item for the consumer, that organization or even an individual, it's astronomical in some situations. We've heard recently as low as $2,000 for a part all the way up to $18,000 off a Dodge truck in the city, said Sergeant Crippen.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Precious metals such as platinum, palladium, rhodium or gold are used as the catalyst. Depending on which metal was used, thieves can sell the converters to metal recyclers for $20 to $200. The recyclers then extract the metal and resell it for as much as $6,000 an ounce, as in the case of rhodium.
Make your mark, take our lead.
They can sell them to scrap yards for up to $200, says Edmonds. But, how are catalytic converters removed? Thieves typically use a saw or wrench to remove it, depending on whether the catalytic converter is bolted or welded in, says Edmonds, and removal can take as little as 1 minute.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.